Nowuok kanye?
Katolina Nyadundo.
Ma Nyadundo en ga nyingi?
Nyinga. Nataka dawa moro.
Dawa moro.
Wuonwa monyuola. Dekla Songa. Min mari jina Marinda. Min mama mnuchi muna baptisi. Rosa Tieno.
To ine nyathi maradi?
Odwa. Odwa nyathi mar ang'wen. Wani. Norbetus. Osi. Olias. Adungu. Nyathi mar ang'wen.
Nyathi mar ang'wen. To skul nidhi nyaka klas adi?
Skul? Ni chone opogore gi sani. Awuok ojwala ka klas 3. To kodhi kucha kadhi adhi college. Mar puonji
higni 2. Akasi puonjo kanye gi kanye?
Apuonjo higni 4. Tedo kadhi abitedo dwe ma higa 44.
Ikitedo ka?
Dwe mar 8.
Dwe mar 8.
44. Dwe mar 8. Unua be kubuko jola, kubuko klas 3. Jola ne onere klas 3. Adek ne na parga yo mosani. Klas 3. Tukodhi yala. Tichaka.
Mama Catherine Nyadundo Onywonga was born on 01 Street, August 1920 to the late Bat Holman Songa Ahuk and Mama Mary Warinda Songa in Nakuru. She was the ex-born in a family of XXX children. Catherine went to Ojola Primary School from 1938 to 1941 where she completed her elementary education. She later proceeded to Rangola Girls High School, formerly known as Rangola Intermediate, from 1943 to 1944 where she completed her O-level studies. Her quest for education saw her proceed to technical practice in 1947 where she pursued a course in teaching and later practiced for some unknown time. Mama Catherine was brought up with strong Christian values which she passed on to her immediate and extended family. She was baptized when Nakuru while still an infant in 1926 and received her first Holy Communion on 07th January 1941. She was later confirmed in accordance with the Roman Catholic doctrine on the 24th of October 1941. Her link to the Roman Catholic doctrines saw her get married in holy matrimony on the 30th of November 1950. She was married to the late Senior Superintendent of Police Mr. Stephen Onywonga Agenga and together they had 4 biological children. The late James Ododo, the late Josephine Mattet, the late Vincent Alu and Mr. Joseph Agenga. The late Mr. Onywonga's family later grew and Mama Catherine had 5 co-wives, Adiambo, Jane, Leonida, Clarice and Nyokamba. Combined they had a total of XXX children and XXX grandchildren. It can be argued that the family's success was largely due to her matriarch role considering that they lost a husband in 1971 and she as the first wife managed to keep the family together up to now. Her early life of formal education and strong Christian foundation largely shaped some of her responsibilities and societal values she held. Some of her Christian responsibilities in church included being a member of the No Catholic Church Choir and she was one of the pioneer members of both Kolping and Adundo prayer group. In addition she was also the chairperson of St. Anne's Church Community Group in the year 1998 to 2001 among other leadership positions not mentioned herein. She was passionate about education. She insisted that all her children and grandchildren, both immediate and extended, attain proper education. Mama Catherine never liked people who didn't work hard in school, leave alone drop out. Once in a while she would narrate the family history to her grandchildren. This fostered a sense of family unity across different generations. Katerina Nyadundo, as she was popularly known, did not lack some controversies of course. At some point in her life she ran a passionate business of brewing a local drink popularly known as Bussar. This would see large crowds gather at her home on Saturday mornings. The villagers loved it. It's a belief that she was quite disappointed when the Kimbo metal containers popularly known as Orip and Gorogoro were phased out with the current plastic ones. It should be noted that this business did not go well with some of her sons. In her later years, Katharina's emotional and physical health deteriorated largely due to age and the pain of losing 3 of her 4 biological children in a short period of time between 1995 to 1998. She grew very fond of her co-wife Jane, popularly known as Min Anyango, who cared for her until she passed away on the 26th of August 2015.